Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I thought today we could paint an autumn wreath, and I've already done the drawing. So what I'm now going to do is just going to make a mixture of burnt umber, a very dark burnt umber, and use the back of a shaven brush that's sort of been shaved with a sharpened rather with a knife with a sharpener. And I'm just going to draw in some twigs that are sort of intertwined. I could use a brush for this, but I think that it gives a better effect with the end of a brush that's been sharpened, because you get different sort of widths of the brush, of the stroke rather, and then it can taper off as well like that. It will look like you've made a wreath out of twigs. That's what I'm aiming for. I'm trying to avoid the leaf and the pumpkin. Get it dark enough so it looks like it's compact. Make some of them darker. Nearly done, and now I'm going to let this dry. It has to be dry. Can't do anything with it until it's absolutely dry, because we're going to put some berries on there. You could, of course, so make some of them go out here like this. Variation and this side as well. Now we're going to completely let this dry. Alright, now whilst that's drying, I'm going to now paint the pumpkin and the leaf. So I'm going to start off painting the pumpkin first, and with that I'm going to use gamboge first. It's a very simple thing. It's not really about the pumpkin. or the leaf. It's really about the overall feel of the wreath itself. I'll put that here. While it's wet, I'm going to drop in some orange. And now that's all I'm going to do with the pumpkins. And once it's dry, I'm going to put the stem in. Now I'm going to focus on the leaf, and for this I'm going to start off with some yellow. I'm going to add in red. More darker. I'm going to change the brush because this brush is not working very well. I need a good point, a fairly good point. Okay, so now I'm going to use a I'm going to go in with burnt sienna or even burnt umber. Trying to make it look like a sort of an autumn leaf here, as you know. Sorry, I mean my hand's not steady, so I've got paint everywhere here. I'm going to use the end of that brush, that stick that we made. Go in and add some more yellow. Okay, that's the leaf done. And when it's dry, I'm going to add a few more veins to that. Now, for the rest of the I'm going to add some berries to this. Okay, now I'm just going to paint the stalk. Just use a green. Take a darker color, put it at the base. Alright, and now I'm going to add blue to the base, just a little bit of blue to the end as well. Now the leaf is nearly dry, so what I want to do with the leaf is to wet it again and add crimson to that. We're going to put paint in the berries. I'm just trying to see where I can put them without them intruding on the actual wreath itself. I can put some at the ends here as well. Notice that some of the twigs are showing through it, and that's good. I don't mind. I'll put that down, and now I want to add a bit more definition to the leaves. Do some lifting as well. Places here. our wreath. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give it a thumbs up and do consider subscribing. Thanks very much for watching.